Everyone wants the spot in the sunshine. At least now they're not arguing about it. Hi, Tinkerbell. Hi, honey. You want a spot too, don't you? There's no room for you. No. No, honey. She's sleeping. You waiting so patiently for you. You have sunshine on the treadmill. Yeah. I mean, Smokey's asleep. Tux is behaving. That's a miracle. There we have 4 in there. The only one missing is Chloe. I'm not sure where she is. She was helping me fold laundry a little while ago. Hey, Munch. Hey, pretty Munch. Hiya. You're so busy. Hi, Tink. You can sit. Go ahead. Well, maybe next round. All right. She's sleeping. Here you go, Tink. Go ahead up. Go ahead.